guys, welcome to today's vlog. It is the first week of June and I'm working from home today. I'm going to be sat right here on my desk. If you haven't seen, I've moved my desk to the living room. I sometimes have the chair here only if I'm going to work, otherwise it sits in the other room. I'm going to have my coffee. I'm just going to have a slow-ish morning and then I'm going to have at it. And then later this afternoon, I'm going to be running some errands. Okay guys, I'm ready to go for my walk now. I'm just wearing these army green tights from Pick n Pay clothing. My sneakers are from Access and my socks are from Pick n Pay clothing. This long sleeved tight cream white top is from Woolworths. This puffer is from the men's section at Cotton On. And then I'm just underneath wearing this or sports bra from Woolworths, and then my cap is from Primark. And I've just got my hair in just little things, and my earrings are from Zara. I'm about to go for my walk. Let's go. I really underestimated how long it's been since I have gone for a run. So I think I'll do that tonight. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes just to acknowledge and thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I'm now at 12,000 views. Can you even imagine this? I really didn't think it would happen this early, although I also anticipated that, you know, there was a gap where, you know, we're just a bunch of young professionals and we just want to relate to each other and we just want to motivate each other and we just want to see, like, what are you guys doing? Like, what are you doing in your day-to-day work life? Because I feel like I'm just not keeping up, or I feel like I'm being overwhelmed, or I feel like I'm doing really well, or I feel like I'm well prepared and organized, and just to see, you know what I mean? Just to see what we're all doing. And I feel like I'm hoping that I'm showing that with my channel. And I'm also hoping that I'm not showing that it's this crazy impossible thing, that balance is possible, hard work and reaping the results of that hard work is possible. Anyway, rant aside, let me get ready. Okay guys, I'm done getting ready. Just to talk you through my outfit, just to get closer, because my mirror is a little bit dirty. So I'm done doing my makeup. These earrings are from Poetry. Just got my hair in a little hairstyle that kind of made sense for the moment. And I'm just wearing this polo neck from Superbalist, this ribbed polo neck. And then underneath I'm just wearing layers and layers of things. And this lightweight navy almost windbreaker-like coat from Superbalist. It's just got this detailing, sort of like a Burberry-esque trench coat, but I don't wear it with the belt. And then belt-wise, I'm wearing this belt from H&M. These pants are chinos from Woolworths, and I've just cuffed them at the bottom. And then I'm just wearing those Farm brand sneakers. My bag is Colette Hayman, and I just got my glasses, but because it's so sunny, even though it's so windy, this is how. One of the areas of my life that I just always feel like is necessary for me to talk about, but I actually don't talk about it that much, is just cleaning my home and keeping a clean home, and the contribution of that to my mental health, and how oftentimes whenever I'm under stress or I can feel overwhelm creeping up, one of the first places for me to see that is I start accumulating clutter, and I start just not being able to operate in that clutter space and feeling like, you know, it's just overwhelming me and things like that. And ever since I read Marie Kondo's life-changing magic of tidying up, and upon undertaking her method, I really did a clear out, and it was right when I was moving. But I'm always noticing, or I'm always trying to be on top of keeping my clutter at bay. I'm always trying to keep on top of my clutter, and I'm always trying to keep a neat space, because whenever I have a neat space, clear mind, automatically clear mind. But whenever I'm stressed out, I just start to create clutter. So it's a cycle that I must constantly watch and be on top of. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you are struggling sometimes with just keeping a clear space, or that's just how some of your mental health struggles present, I think Life-Changing Magic is actually a surprisingly healing book, if that's just something that you struggled with for quite a while. For me, since I've been in boarding school, since I was in primary school, since I was in high school, this has just been a cycle I've just always observed and never had the languaging for. And with that book, I really just feel like I gained the languaging for it. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow. These are absolutely beautiful. It's currently 5:30. I'm currently on the highway in traffic on my way home. I feel like today I really did achieve what I set out to achieve. I am really slowly coming out of my rut. So that means the system that I've put in place to get myself out of a rut, to get myself back into, you know, really thinking straight again, and just scheduling in all the stuff for June, because I was just so busy with wrapping up May that I really was not in the mind frame to be looking at planning and scheduling and all that stuff for June. So I feel very important for me to have, even if it's 15 minutes, even if it's 20 minutes, any physical exercise that I can get in. And having read David Goggins and just that mentality of pushing yourself and demanding more from yourself, I really enjoy the book for that. He just gives himself no excuses. He gives himself no opportunity for excuse. Now obviously I'm not going ultra marathon hard, do you know what I mean? But he really challenged me to really think about whether or not I was utilizing the full capacity of my brain's ability to tell my body what to do. Because I do it so well, I feel like, in terms of my work and in terms of that area of my life, but I just didn't seem to be able to control my mind or to get a hold of my mind in a healthy way when it came to working out for the sake of my body. And I don't know if my fellow bigger girls understand, but sometimes you just feel like it's just so far gone that a walk will not change anything, walking will not change anything. But then you realize it's actually hard to just walk. Just to get yourself to walk is hard, and you start realizing, oh my gosh, this thing is an uphill battle for me. I'm gonna have to really get at it with the right mentality. And David Goggins taught me that. Shonda Rhimes and Year of Yes, and what it taught me. I didn't like the book per se, to be honest, in that way. I just felt like I'd already known Shonda Rhimes' story prior to that. But some of the principles that she applies in her life for me are amazing. Like the hum, for example, the concept of the hum. The concept that really changed my life with her is that when she was discussing her 100-pound weight loss, she said that it had to get to her realizing that, Shonda, you've had to work hard for every single thing in your life. And the thing is about you, you're not afraid of hard work. So this is going to be hard work. Don't be afraid of that. And when I had that realization myself to say, Loyiso, not a lot of things have come easily to you. Most times you've had to actually fight tooth and nail to have certain things come to you, to prove yourself in certain ways, to get to where you want to go. So if you want to get somewhere with your body, that's also going to be difficult. Embrace that instead of letting that give you so much anxiety that you're putting that off. So guys, I'm really serious. If you wanted to make a huge change or shift in your life, please listen to David Goggins' book. Oh yes, I finally remember the title. David Goggins Can't Hurt Me. I would have written it in case earlier on in the vlog, but I just remembered. This is when I remembered in the day. But yeah guys, other than that, I think I actually should end the vlog here. But thank you so much as ever for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.